The versatile word fuck. Use it to show you're suspicious of someone.
Who the fuck are you?
To show you're lost.
Where the fuck am I?
To point them in the right direction.
Fuck up!
To show you're in trouble.
Oh, fuck now.
When panicking.
Let's get the fuck out of here!
When resigned to a situation.
Oh, fuck it.
To be aggressive.
Fuck you.
To show surprise.
Oh, fuck me.
If you're confused.
What the fuck?
To show despair.
Fucked again.
To show denial.
I didn't fucking do it.
To show apathy.
That who gives a fuck.
Oh yes, what a versatile word fuck is. Be sure to start using it more often around your parents, your children, and with your boss.